So we had a company gift us this AAOBOSI electric meat grinder. Now it is a sleek looking unit, as you can see, and it does have this nice handle on the side that really allows you to just grab it. Now the unit is built very well. The grinder portion of this is made of the stainless steel. It has a little tray that goes right inside, allowing you to easily just slide the food right down into the tube. And then they do give you this guy here, and that's going to allow you to push that meat down. So on the front here, there are 3 different buttons, and they do light up nicely. Now you do have the on and off button. You do have the button in the center, and that is basically going to take you through the different speeds. So there are 3 different speeds. The machine, when it turns on, is on like a medium speed. Whereas if you hit this button in the center, it's going to take you through a low speed and a high speed. The button before that is your reverse. So what you're going to end up doing is just holding that button down, and that's going to ignite the reverse. So like I said, this machine is super easy to use. And it did come with some cool attachments. So they do give you 3 different size grinders. I do have the medium size in the machine currently. Now I will say that these plates for the grinder are super thick. Like, I've had other grinders before, and the plate to these are usually like a thin plate. This has got some girth to it. Now they did provide 2 different cutting blades, so you don't have to worry about them dulling out. You have a backup. And then you have this attachment here, which actually does cube. It's basically going to give you a hollow tube, and then you can stuff your meat into that tube. If you wanted to stuff some cheese in there, you could do that as well.
Then you have this sausage stuffing attachment.
So all in all, if you're somebody who likes to ground up your own meat, or maybe make your own sausages or your own meatballs, this is going to take most of the work out of it for you.